there, I'm Nancy from Black Sheep Knitting in Needham, Massachusetts. I'm freshly back from a week's vacation by the ocean, so I feel energized and refreshed and pretty relaxed. Today I want to just show you some finished projects and some kits that we have here in the shop. I'm wearing Winter's Beach. This is a slightly big cardigan. It's a little big on me, but it's a beautiful cardigan by Andrea Mowry called Winter's Beach. Has beautiful cables, and I like a big cardigan, and you can see the back, how beautiful it is. I like something that just kind of slouches on me, but you can make it to fit you, you know, to fit it more exactly, to get, you know, using a bigger size or smaller size. But I kind of like it, and it's made in Rowan felted tweed. And I'm going to show you some of the great colors that we have to choose from. We have others, but these are just a sample of some of them, so you can come in and take a look. This is a fun knit, and for those of you who like to do cables, I highly recommend it. I'm going to take it off because it's a little warm in the shop, but I think it's a very fun project.
I'm going to remind people too, can I remind people that we have a great video on our website, on our YouTube page about cabling without a needle?
That's right. So you can do this. They aren't big cables, so you could do them. The second finished project I have is called Dingley Dell. Some of you may have seen this when I was working on it. This I did in the Barocco Cambria. Is that what I did it in?
Yep. Yes,
it is. And it's much like, I chose these colors because it was pretty much like the pattern. And this was a super fun knit. Goes very quickly. I love the big bold stripes, and the yarn is really fun. So we have lots of colors in the Cambria. We also have a new yarn that came in called Lena from Santa's Garden. Some of you may have seen this already. And these were, I thought, some fun choices. If you wanted to, you could use this yarn to make Dingley Dell. We have other colors, of course, but I thought these were sort of a fun choice. So those are my finished projects here today, but I wanted to show you some kits. We have lots of kits in the shop, and they're also online. A very fun one is called Sticks Socks. And these are shorty socks, so and they're done on a worsted weight. So they go really quickly, they're short, that's the new thing. Everybody's wearing these shorty socks with their clogs and all kinds of things. So we did it in Rios. This is called Teal Feather, this colorway. They're super soft socks. This is also a super wash, so you can wash them. Very fun to do. So I recommend those, and we have lots and lots of colors of Rios. Another fun, easy, if you want a quick knit for the beach, if you just like to go to the beach and knit, we have these easy striped mitts. And this is just a really, I love these because they're great in the car, they're great to drive with, or if you're walking the dog and you want to, you know, you have to pick up the poop and you have the plastic bag, and so you need your fingers to open the bag. So I love these, and it's a very simple knit. And we have kits. These are a couple of the colorways. There's this one, I think called Cleopatra. And this one is something I can't pronounce, Azorenhock. So it's another pretty color. And I think
it's self-striping.
It's self-striping. Makes you look like a genius. This is all the yarn, it's not me. So it's just knitting in the round stockinette. So that's another kit that we have, and a brand new one. We have some new yarn here from the Alpaca Yarn Company. And one is called Halo Watercolors, and the other is Symmetry. So those are the two. One is a Surrey Alpaca. For those of you who don't love mohair, the Surrey Alpaca is a great choice. And then this is an alpaca and wool blend, and it's for this hat called Minted, another Andrea Mowry project. I haven't had time to knit up a sample. but I saw a sample from the rep, and it's just quite beautiful. And it's very reasonably priced, $28. So we have lots of colorways. This one in kind of a neutral. We also have a green, and this one I have seen knit up to get these two. You hold the yarn together, and it's just stunning. Beautifully, beautiful choices. And we also have this colorway. So this is also a great beach project. And finally, we have, and some of you may have seen this before, this is the Mod baby blanket. All garter, very simple, just picking up stitches around the little squares. And we have kits, so we can make up a kit for you. It's very fun. This is really soft in Rios. Rios is a superwash yarn. So I put together, here's one of the kits that I put together with these 3 colorways, which I thought were a lot of fun. You can make it into a larger blanket, just a lap throw, or a baby blanket. It's your choice. So these are kits. You can purchase them online or come in the shop and we can help you pick out colorways. Just a reminder, we have a lace workshop coming up on August 14th. And for those of you who've never knit lace, this is a good project to start. We still have some spaces left, so if you'd like to join, you can sign up online or call the shop. Our website is blacksheepknitting.com. You can find our online store there or come into the shop. We are trying still to mask up, so we're asking people to mask because the Delta variant is out there and it's easily spread apparently. So we want to be sure that everybody is safe. So visit us online, visit our videos on YouTube, and subscribe if you can, and like us on Facebook. So thanks very much, and I'll see you in a week. Take care.